Magicians, we all dream of being able to have a spectator think of any playing card and for us to know it with 100% accuracy. Christian Grace has created that secret, and I've just performed it to Kaylee, and she's given the effect the highest score of all time on these episodes of Fooler. You're about to watch it from start to finish, uncut. Roll the tape.
Morning.
Cheers, morning. Slurp. All right, I'm gonna go straight into this one.
Okay.
You always say that I am a terrible liar.
He is.
I actually think I'm really good at lying. All right, so I'm gonna play a game with you.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you a truth and a lie,
Oh,
and
this is going to be so easy.
you're gonna have to guess which one's which.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Everyone at home just watch his face because he gives it away instantly.
Okay. I once. I'll tell you two at the same time.
No, you didn't mess this up. Go.
I once did a magic trick on stage that went wrong, and I cried. And I once got. I did a backflip on my skates.
The first one was complete lie.
It was the truth.
No.
Yeah, when I was 7 years old, I did a magic trick in a talent show in the rehearsals, and it went wrong, and I cried.
Oh, 7-year-old lie.
I've done you.
Yeah. Do you know how you did me? Though? Do you know how you did me?
How?
You did your lie face for the truth and the lie.
I don't have a live face.
He has a lie face. He does this, and then he's like. You do.
Right, shut.
People are going to watch out for that now.
Can't-
You did the Keira Knightley nose.
Whatever. Right, look, this is not about me.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just chapter one. I can't be on one. I 1-0. We're gonna try it with you.
Okay. Oh,
I'm gonna for everyone at home. See how everyone at home can now tell how I lie or tell the truth. Did I tell the truth twice?
yeah, you did. I know, you've done a backflip on your skates.
It doesn't count.
Didn't even lie. Didn't even lie. He thought so hard about keeping his lie face for his truth that he didn't even lie. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
That's
right. So, I'm gonna get everyone at home's gonna see what your lie face is or truth face,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna use that against you.
Okay.
All right. So, let me see. We'll start basic. Think of a playing card, any playing card in the deck.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
And what we'll do is we'll just do a simple test. I'm going to ask you, do you see the value of your card? Don't say anything. Don't lie. I mean, tell the truth.
Oh, no.
Right? Do you see the suit of your card?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And we'll do it again. Do you see the value of your card?
No.
Do you see the suit of your card?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Do you see the value of your card?
Yeah.
Do you see the value of your
Yeah.
card? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right, that's it. I now know when you're telling the truth. Everyone at home should be able to tell your truth face.
Mm-hmm.
Here's what we're going to do. Take the cards,
Okay.
square them up by you. I'm not going to look.
Okay.
Take a look at the top card.
Can I show you or everyone?
Just hold it to yourself for now.
Okay.
And decide if you're going to tell a lie or tell the truth.
Okay.
Right? And tell me, is the card red or is it black?
It's red.
I think that's a lie. Put it face up. Show everyone. Is it a lie? Yeah?
Yeah, it's totally a lie. It was black.
Do it one more time.
Okay. I do like this.
Okay, yeah. Tell me, decide if it's a lie or the truth. Is it red or is it black?
It's red.
That's the truth. Show everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, one more time.
Okay.
Take another card. Okay, tell me if it's red or if it's black.
It's black.
I think that's the truth.
No.
All right, wait. Okay, hang on. Put it face up. Tell me a lie.
Tell me.
Any lie.
I picked the Queen of Hearts.
Okay. Is that actually a lie?
It's actually a lie.
Right. Okay. Now pick up the next 2 cards,
Okay.
and either tell the lie for both or tell the truth for both.
Okay.
All right.
God. Okay.
Go.
What do you mean? I've just got to tell you if it's black or red, or...
Yeah. But decide if they're both going to be a lie or if they're both going to be the truth.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes to what?
Oh, I've decided that I'm going to tell a lie or tell the truth.
All right. Let's say the colours. Say the
Oh,
colours.
okay. Okay, they're black.
That's the truth.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right.
That went wrong so far.
I know.
That's good.
All right. Let's do the next one because that was really tricky.
Okay.
No, do another. Take 2 more.
Okay. 2 more.
Yeah.
So I got 3 in my hand.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Okay.
Oh, this is so tricky.
All right.
All right. Tell me. Decide if it's gonna be a truth or a lie,
Okay.
and then say the colours.
Red.
Say the next colour.
Red.
Say the next colour.
Red.
Did you tell 2 truths and a lie?
Yeah.
Did you say red? It's red, black.
It's the other way around. It's
Black,
black,
red,
red. I really tried to get you.
Oh, that was so good. All right, so but
That
now
was really hard.
that was solid.
Sorry, I really tested you.
Shuffle them up again. We'll try
Just
something
these
else.
ones?
All of them, yeah.
All together.
Shuffle it all up.
Okay.
It's such a good
I like this game. It's really
It's
fun.
really, really fun.
Not as fun as the Joker game, but Ace's game.
Oh,
you
well,
know?
you picked the aces out. That's a game.
Yeah.
That's a game of skill
Skill.
for you. What we're gonna do is this. So you remember the card you're thinking of,
Yeah.
right? Cut the deck in half and spread it face up along here, so we can see.
Oh, gosh.
I know.
How do I do this? Oh,
Like-
that wasn't that bad. I didn't do bad. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Good.
Yep.
Okie dokie.
Hooky cookie.
Here we go.
All right. Let's do this.
Do you see your card? You're gonna tell
I'm going to tell you the truth now.
or a lie, either.
Okay.
Right? Oh God. The card you're thinking of.
Yeah.
Do you see it here?
No.
You don't.
No.
I think you were telling the truth then. Yeah?
Yeah, it was.
This
is
is
good.
so nerve
I
wracking.
love this.
Split these. Shuffle them up again if you want to.
No, I'm all right. Just leave them like
Are
that.
you good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Come on then.
All right.
You're going to get me now. Or I'm going to get you now. Ready?
Yeah. Can you see all the cards?
Yeah.
All right. So at this point, you can actually see your card somewhere.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Do you see your card here?
Yes.
I think that was the truth. Is that the truth? It wasn't the truth. It's even harder.
Oh no.
All right. Tell me any one of these that's not your card.
2 spades.
It's not your card.
No.
If you want to go for that.
Whoa, that was a bold move.
That was a bold move, Cotton. Let's see how it plays out. All right.
Okay.
I'm going to turn this card over for the first time.
Yeah.
Just tell everyone. Oh, I don't even want to look at it. Just tell everyone at home if I got it. I don't want to look.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous.
Go.
Yeah! Oh my god, you did it. I mean, you actually did it. Oh my god. That was so good. It was so fun.
Is that good?
I
You got
loved that. It was a game. I loved it.
But how impossible is that? Shuffle deck.
I shuffled it.
I gauge your. Well, yeah.
You
Tell.
had to just guess if I was lying or telling the truth. Like
Yeah.
my facial movements, obviously, or something like that. Oh my god, I love that.
Had my back turned,
A lot of the time, yeah.
and then
Maybe inflection in my voice. I don't know.
There's something to it. This is another Christian Grace fooler. And the beauty of it is that, well, first of all, are you fooled?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Like, even if it was in stack, there's no way, because it was shuffled. I know you can false shuffle or you can shuffle a stack, but every step of the way I was lying. I was making the choice whether to lie or tell the truth. And you didn't even know, because sometimes you got it wrong.
And, yeah, true.
So it's even more fooling when you get something wrong, because you think, haha, I've done you. And then you turn my card over at the end. Yeah, I loved that.
And I think that
it was fun. It was engaging. It was so fun because I got to be involved. I got to kind of...
And it really, it feels for all the time
so
that I'm reading you.
Yeah.
I think that's what's most important about these tricks. But
like, I know now. I know from just being your wife that you weren't reading me.
Yeah.
But
ultimately, I think this trick is all about the one bit at the end, which is revealing a card that the spectator is just thinking of.
Yeah.
When like this is
I didn't even pick it out of the deck. I picked it out of my mind.
Yes.
No one knew that card except for me.
Mm-hmm. And you did nothing to give that away.
No, except for lie or tell the truth. But even then, when I lied or told the truth and you guessed wrong,
yeah,
like, it solidifies that fooling nature of the whole trick.
Right?
Yeah.
It's really, really hardcore for a method, I think. In terms of, like, it's hardcore. It's hardcore from a layman's point of view, just how impossible it is.
Impossible that is, yeah. Because I can't even work that out with the little knowledge that I have.
Well, what's crazy is I'm gonna tell Kaylee the secret to this on camera now.
Okay, cool.
This is on Christian Grace's Magic Monthly again, which I posted last Thursday, another performance from. You can find it on screen here to go and learn it, or it's in the description down below.
I loved that one as well.
That was another banger, such a fooler. But what's amazing about this is that this is a tool that you can use. You don't have to use the whole lie, truth teller, red-black thing whatsoever.
Oh.
This is a tool that allows you to ascertain, to learn, or to discover any playing card that the spectator is thinking of with seemingly nothing happening. And if you think about that from a performance point of view, how you can implement that into other tricks, have a spectator think of any playing card and you just being able to 100% know it with, to them, what feels like nothing's been done and they covered it and everything. That is a tool that is one of those lifetime magic tools, like a double lift, like a cull. This is like a card mentalism version of that, where you've got to sort of have this in your arsenal because you don't know when you can use it, or you will know when you can use it because you're going to use it every damn time that you perform. So I'm going to tell Kaylee the method, and I think you'll be shocked at the method because of how it's disguised.
Off.
Yeah,
that was even more impressive. Oh, that's so good.
Isn't that cool?
I like that.
Yeah, that's
like that bit is so
good. Yeah.
I love things like that.
I know. So realistically, just that tiny process, which you can put into any other magic trick.
Yeah.
And I know your card now, without you ever seemingly doing anything.
Oh my god!
Aside
you
from
could do anything with that.
Yeah.
Once you know that card, you could have it come out of thin air or whatever you do.
Literally.
Or appear under their glass, or come out of their hat, or.
Well, especially like
you could pretend to read the deck and memorize the deck, and
especially
you could do anything.
Exactly, like me and Javier's index that's coming out.
Yeah.
Knowing their card and then
you've got it in your hand in seconds.
Yeah. So I can't teach this. You know, I like to teach a lot of stuff on the channel. I can't teach. This is Christian's, but he's really kindly allowed me to share this performance with you and talk about as much as we have already. But you just go and learn it from his. It's up there. Boop. Boop. It's in Kaylee's nose. Kaylee, point to the corner.
It's up there.
The link is up here and it's down below. You can go and learn it. The price of the membership is like there's 35 other like literally hardcore pieces of magic like this, all available. It's incredible. Go and learn it and become a better magician for it. But yeah, that's the effect. It's called liability on the membership, but it's one of 35 other things, and there's 2 new tricks added every single month. So you can go and just sign up, and it's incredible. And this it's just what a tool.
That's so amazing to have
Yes,
that.
yes.
You could do anything with it. Anything.
Mm-hmm.
Once you know how to do that, the world is your oyster. Literally, you could do anything with that.
Yeah, you could. You could just do so much with it. Like,
And it's so fun for a spectator. I'd give that top marks completely, all of them.
wow.
Yeah.
I feel.
I think it needs a bonus point. It needs a bonus because I was so engaged. I was so... you don't even concentrate on what you're doing. Like, as a magician's wife, I always like think, how is he doing this? How is he doing this? How is he doing this? And some laymen do that because they like it and enjoy magic. But I didn't even think that once. And I think that was why it was a lot more fooling as well.
Yeah.
Because I enjoyed myself. I just enjoyed being a spectator.
Well, I knew that we've always joked about how bad I am at lying, and like we just sort of proved the point because I couldn't even.
No, he couldn't even think of a lie, let alone tell a lie.
No, yeah. So, but I knew, but this is an important lesson to all of you. I knew that this is a conversation that we always joke about. That I get caught if I try and do anything. She's like, no, straight away. So I used that in the performance to make it feel like I wasn't going into Magic Man mode.
And it was authentic.
It was authentic.
Yeah.
And you the best performances you can do are authentic performances. If you are sitting down to have a coffee with someone and you want to show them something new, and then suddenly you're like, okay, so Kaylee, would you please pick a card? That's not authentic because already I'm not me. And if I'm not me, you're now suspicious of who I am.
Yeah.
And already now there's heat on the trick. You're now the gimmick that they want to inspect before the trick started.
That is so true. That is so true. I mean? Yeah.
So you've got to find these ways to be authentic in your performance and find authentic hooks with whoever you're performing to, because you can be halfway into that trick before... And you can be halfway into the trick. You can have the goods mentally that you need attained from them before they even realize it started.
Yeah.
So that whole ploy of everything. Well, I can't go into it, but I was deep into that trick before it really felt like it was getting going for you.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's a lesson to carry across all of your magic.
And also because of the way you presented it, it felt authentic, like we said. But I didn't even think of those cards because they weren't in my hands. They were just a tool. Yeah. It wasn't like, oh, what's he doing with his hands? It's a trick.
I could have, in theory, got you to get a newspaper and tell me 4 or 5 false headlines. It would have felt like, because it was just, we were using these to get to these were the vehicle to get to the destination.
Yeah, and it wasn't like in all other card tricks, you're always focused on the hands, focus what they're doing on that, and it wasn't at all. Yeah. I loved it. I actually loved it.
Well done, Christy and Grace.
Well done.
You know I love you. I also hate you because this is my channel and I love to show off my ideas, but yours just end up being a lot better. All right, guys, tune back in next week. If you haven't done so already, please hit the
subscribe
button. Oh, you're so close. You're never going to make it, love.
I don't need to. I'm just going to...
You've got the goods.
I'm just going to
ride
on yours.
If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button. I'm back on Sunday for a live Sunday session, and then every single Tuesday for Tutorial Tuesday. If you haven't seen it already, go and check out last Tuesday's crazy visual, and it uses a phone at the same time, which is kind of mental. And then we're back again next Thursday for another episode of Fooler. So,
see you Thursday.
See you Thursday.